Welcome back to the channel. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Here's what just landed: a gas version of Noir Outlander. Super excited to see it. So the gas version was a little bit different than the PHEVs. With PHEV Noirs, they offer those right away to order, but the gas, I don't know, but for some reason they made us wait a little bit. So the 2026s came out way early, but the Noirs only are landing it now. So in here at Tri-City Mitsubishi now, we do have the gas version of Noir now. And just a little reminder on the Noir editions, it is exactly the same as they're on the PHEV. So you can have them in white, red, this black and gray. So let's have a look. What do we have there? So we have parked few Noirs there. Unfortunately, I don't have the gray one right now, but this is how the red is gonna look. This here is a PHEV, but the gas version is gonna be exactly the same looking. I really like this red with black elements on it. I think it's my favorite. And then also with the black one, you have these mirrors are these you know, glossy, and the black roof option is glossy as well. And here's the white one. So we have white and black roof as well. So this one is also a gas version. So that's how it's gonna look. PHEV looks exactly the same with the exception of this PHEV plug-in hybrid EV badge. So that's how you know that it's a PHEV. But visually looking and interior exterior is going to be same if we look at the gas or PHEV. Now let's get back to this black edition. So the Noir edition is based on GT Premium, and GT Premium is already top of the line, but the Noir just tops it a little bit with some visual enhancements. We're going to start from front, and we're gonna check side, back, and then peek in the interior as well, just to see what's different there. So the front here, of course, we can see right away quite a few things. We have the Outlander badge that's black, but what stands out the most, of course, is the dynamic shield blackout, and these chrome lines are satin black. And also right now we have this 3-diamond logo is blacked out. So there's lots that you know, looks different. Also huge visual difference is these around the headlights. We can see this whole thing is blacked out as well, and around the fog lights it's also blacked out. And the lower bumper part is nice shiny gloss black, so we can see how it looks different and how it looks awesome. So the front is of course what makes a really big statement for the Noir edition. Now that we turn in the side, so we can see that we have painted wheels, and those are exactly the same wheel design as if would be for anything else. So this the new design right here, and this one is just same wheel design, just painted black to achieve this Noir like looks. And even the lug nuts right here, so the wheels are different kind of gray or chrome. So this is almost like a graphite chrome in a way, or gray. Good looking wheel, and of course the central caps are all blacked out too. From the side we can see obviously the black color doesn't need a black roof because it's all black anyways, but look at this nice color. It's beautiful weather today, bright sunlight, and when the sunlight hits the paint, this is how we're looking now. Has this nice sparkle to it, looks really cool. So check out the this line, the chrome line around the windows. That would be bright chrome or chrome normally, but this one again has the same thing, this, you know, graphite gray looks, and it is shiny. We can see compared against the color itself, it is shiny, but it's not chrome. So it's a graphite gray color tone. It looks really cool. And on the side, of course, we have this Noir badge right here. That, of course, you know, reminds us that we're looking at the Noir edition. Overall, we do a lot of visual upgrades here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. I've done in this channel many visual upgrade videos, and black wheels is something, you know, most customers want right away, and people do appreciate that. So the fact that you can have it like this from the factory, and you don't need to find these shops that are gonna do it, you can just buy it like that, it's huge. People love it, and I think it's gonna be a very good seller. I can see that already with the PHEV version of this Outlander. That Noir Edition is a huge winner. People love it. It looks really, really cool. Okay, what do we have here from the back? So please note that on the back tailgate, you don't have the super all-wheel control decal that normally goes on here. You can get that decal at my accessory store, Mitsubishi.ca, shipped to Canada, US, Australia, and that's something you can add if you want to. So you will have that super all-wheel control on all trim levels except the Noir Edition. And of course, same thing like the front, we have the gray logos right here, and they're all nicely grayed out like this. That just shows you that we do have the black edition. Same deal like with the lower bumper part, like it was the front is the back. Instead of having this gray design that they have right now for the new 26s, you do have this glossy black. Overall, it looks really, really cool. I really like how it looks visually, makes a big impact. And even on the cars, like let's say we have this G-Wagon G63 AMG, that is an icon in itself, but you know, that car looks cool, and then you switch over to this, and this also looks really, really cool. And you do have a lot of this cool effect, even though this one is a third of the price of that used one. So a lot of value for what you get. So let's check out interior. And this is how we're looking. So again, it's based on the GT Premium, so you'll have all the convenience options with it, like head-up display and 360 cameras and large panoramic sunroof. Because it's the GTP, you have the headliner is all black. Seats with GTP, you would have the brick brown, but these are black, and you do have the silver stitching, which makes the Noir Edition stand out a little bit more. Another cool thing is these aluminum pedals, so we can see the gas pedal still has the plastic wrap, but you have the footrest pedal, footrest spot here, and your brake gas, they're all aluminum pedals like that. So, and that gives you really cool first effect. So once you open the door, there you go, that just stands out a lot. And of course, the black interior is very cool in itself too. Of course, we do have all the upgraded interior features, larger screen, new central console, and everything else that goes with it. So big news on 2026s is the cooled seats. So now we have cooled seats for the 2026 Outlander. I love that. It's one of my favorite options on any car, to have this cooled seat option. Of course, we do have the front cameras, the 360 cameras, front sensors, back sensors. This car is properly sensored up, so you do have a lot of that. Okay, wanted to show you this gas Outlander real quick that just landed here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. Please come by for test drives, check it out, see for yourself if you like it. It's a really, really good looking vehicle. So thank you so much for checking out, and see you in next videos.